Most people don't realize this, but the biggest prison in the world doesn't have bars, guards, or walls. It's the prison of your own mind. Every time you hold back because you're afraid of what people will think, you're locking yourself inside. Every time you choose comfort over growth, distractions over discipline, excuses over action, you're tightening the chains without even knowing it. The truth is, you don't need permission to change your life. You don't need approval to chase your goals. The door to the prison has been wide open all along. The only thing stopping you from walking out is the story you keep telling yourself. Think about it. How many dreams have you buried because you thought you weren't good enough? How many chances have you ignored because you convinced yourself you'd fail? That's not reality. That's fear whispering lies until you believe them. Here's the hard truth. No one is coming to rescue you. Not your boss, not your friends, not some magical opportunity. You are the rescuer. You are the hero. The day you decide to take responsibility for your life is the day freedom begins. Self-improvement isn't about reading one book or trying a new morning routine. It's about rewiring your identity. It's about replacing "I can't" with "I will." It's about choosing discipline over comfort, action over excuses, and purpose over distraction. Yes, it's uncomfortable. Growth always is. But comfort zones don't create greatness. They create regrets. And one day you'll look back and realize that the moments you avoided discomfort were the exact moments you avoided your potential. So ask yourself today, what's one chain I can break? Maybe it's finally starting that side project. Maybe it's having the difficult conversation you've been avoiding. Maybe it's saying no to the things that drain your energy. Break just one chain and you'll realize how much power you've had all along. Freedom doesn't come from waiting, it comes from choosing. This is your reminder. The prison is not real. The fear is not real. The excuses are not real. But your potential? That's as real as it gets. Walk out of the cage. Step into discomfort. Build the discipline. Take the action. That's how you unlock confidence, success, and true self-worth. Because the moment you stop waiting for someone else to free you is the moment you finally set yourself free. If this message spoke to you, don't forget to subscribe to The Growth Theory for more powerful insights on self-improvement, confidence, and personal growth. Your journey starts here.